Welcome to Ta Prohm Temple, one of the most iconic and enchanting sites in Cambodia. Constructed in the late 12th century by King Jayavarman VII as a Buddhist monastery and university, Ta Prohm stands as a remarkable testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire. Unlike many other temples in Angkor, Ta Prohm has been left largely in its natural state, with sprawling roots of giant trees intertwining with the ruins. This unique fusion of nature and ancient architecture creates an ethereal, almost surreal atmosphere. The temple's intricate carvings and moss-covered stones whisper tales of a bygone era, captivating the imagination of visitors. Wandering through its labyrinthine corridors and courtyards, you can feel the pulse of history as centuries-old walls stand in silent witness to the passage of time.